In the name of Allah. So I'm going to show you one of the base softwares for medicine store, which can be used with barcodes, by QR codes, and many benefits that it has, many more options. Well, there is the PMS software. In here we have a username admin. So why it can't take it? Because we have to create the software. We have to create the backend. It's the backend is in SQL, so we have to create the our database and also the backup file. We go to create a blank database. The first thing is here that we have to do these things to run our software. Without the backend, it's nothing. We cannot use it. So what I do when I click create blank database, I go to this for dotted I go to this dotted button, click it, and here it comes my query. This query will create our backend PMS, which now you can see I don't have anything here by the name of PMS, and also the name security login name of AP. We have to create it first. After bringing this, we execute it. After execute, it will take some time. Well, now it's executed. Now we have to refresh database. After refreshing database, now you can see that we have PMS and also users by the name of AP. Everything is set here, but in PMS we don't have any table or anything else. You have to put a complete backup of our backend. How we can do it? Go to upload backup and choose my backup from here. My complete backup is here. Open it. Now it will take some time to take backup all of the data from backup. It's done. Now close it. Also close this. If we go and refresh my PMS database, now we have all of our tables and everything in it. So open PMS admin and password is 123 admin. This backup is blank. Only thing that we have is my medicine's name. Yes. In items we have 200. All of our medicine in total of our medicine is 2290 medicines, which is complete. If we want to add another medicine, we can come and add it from here, and it doesn't have anything else. The main transaction that this software can do is sell for customers, sell the goods, refund of the goods, the items from customer or anything from anyone else. Reports, we have the sell and sell refund reports. These are the shortcut. We have all of these things in here also, but these are the shortcuts. We have purchase, return, purchase from the from a company. If we cannot sell them or it's a spot, we can return them. We have purchase reports, we have purchase return report, and also we have inventory, expiry report, and below items or items which is less. With us, we can see all of them. Well, this is all for now. In other videos, I will tell about everything else, good things from this software, and things that you need to have it in your software of medicine store, and to use it to make your transactions, to make your work better. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give your comments, and also subscribe this channel for seeing a lot of my works. Thank you. Said Mustafa is in your service.